Hi, today I have come up with 3 more courses from the Udemy platform. Let us go for the first course, NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. In this course, you will be learning how to program with the brain and how to reprogram it. So if you are very much interested in learning this course, you can enroll for this course and only a limited hours is only left. Let's go for the course 2. After Effects for Beginners. In this course, you will be learning how to apply an effects, whether it's a text effect or any other digital effects on a particular video. Then this course is for you. Let us go for the third course, Complete JavaScript with HTML5, CSS3 from zero to expert. In this course, you'll be learning a complete package of web designing, where you can see that you also have a jQuery and Bootstrap. So if you are very much interested, you can enroll for this course. In this course, you'll be learning how to manipulate with the images, how can you draw images, how can you design your own graphics. If you are very much interested in creating custom typography, then you are about to enter to a graphic industry, then this course is for you. You can enroll for this course. Let's go for the another course, Python and Django framework for beginners. So if you are very much interested in learning Python programming, so towards the object-oriented programming, so this course is for you, and you can see the course outline here. If you're very much interested, you can enroll for this course. Let's go for another course, the complete guide to bot creation. Nowadays, everyone has very much keen to create a bot. So if you are a beginner and if you don't have any idea how a bot is created, then you can enroll for this course and you can learn how a bot is being created. Let us go for the next course, the complete introduction to data analytics with Tableau. So if you are very much interested in data visualization, then this course is for you. If you can go through this course and you can see the outlines given here, the course outlines. If you're very much interested, enroll for this course. Python for beginners. Okay, there's nothing much to tell about Python because I've done a lot of Udemy courses on Python. So Python, if you're a very beginner to a Python, then this course is for you. For beginners, you can enroll for this course. This course is for the educators or teachers or lecturers who are very much interested in going for the e-content. Then this course is for you. You can see that how can you digitally prepare a lesson plan and how can you present it to your students, or any student who is going for a webinar or a seminar. Then you can go through this course. And this is a complete package of a Corel Draw 2021 graphics design. So we always know that there's another part of graphic design, that is by using the software Corel Draw. So if you're very much interested, you can go for this course. Next course, SEO Trading Masterclass. If you are very much interested in how to know how SEO works, about the SEO traffic, how the SEO works with the help with the WordPress, then you can go for this course. Beginning to cybersecurity. Anyone who is very much interested in cybersecurity or about to know more about the cybersecurity functionalities like malware, viruses, so this course is for you. You can enroll for this course. R programming for absolute beginners. So like Python, we also have another platform like R programming. So if you're very much interested to learn R programming, so this is the basics. It's designed only for beginners. You can enroll for this course. Okay, this course is for web designing. So anyone is for particularly a beginner. If you want to know more about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can enroll for this course. Okay, it's already linked to that. So if anyone wants to learn more about advanced of web designing like JavaScript, Bootstrap, and with PHP, you can go for this course. It also helps for certification for beginners. It's a wonderful course. You should enroll for it. Gatsby JS. So if you want to know more about the web development, or you want to create a personal blog, so you can use Gatsby JS. Okay, how can you make your own free VPN with AWS or with cloud computing? Then if you're very much interested in getting your own VPN, you can enroll for this course. Anger management skills. Okay, nowadays to control the anger, it's quite difficult, right? So you can enroll for this course and learn more about it, how to control. They have given some strategies and techniques to control your anger management. You can go for this course. Outsource mastery, how to earn more money by doing less work. Okay, it's a very important course, right? Because this is what we want. We wanted to earn more money by doing less work. So absolutely, for anyone, even I'm going to enroll for this course. If you're interested, you can enroll for this course. Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021. This course is for particularly for video editing for a beginner. If you want to know, or if you are very much basic, you don't have any idea of creating how to crop a video or how to edit a video in a particular software, you can go for Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a new version, Creative Cloud of 2021. You can enroll for this course. Mastering Python, data handling, analysis, and visualization all together in a particular course. It's a very wonderful course because you can see everything is available in the particular course. And if you are very much interested in Python programming or data handling or data visualization or data analysis, you can go enroll for this course. Okay, thank you so much.